Today's unbox is for the color spike lights. This was on Kickstarter. It's a Kickstarter campaign for the same people who made the Pixel Stick. Very nice packing. Much respect for not going cheap on this. Let's get started. I have ordered extra accessories, which is the barn door. Very beautiful matte black, easy to install, and all get packed on the same bag without taking extra space. And that's another smart thing, smart design. We have the diffuser, which is basically a piece of plastic that diffuses the light and prevent the harsh shadows and harsh highlights from coming to the scene from the light. We have the strap for the bag. This one isn't very fancy though. It's kind of cheap, but who uses this anyway? We have the adapter. I asked for the UK head and European adapter. You can choose that based on your location. Also, this came with the accessories bundle. It's basically to attach heads together, because I have ordered 2 lights. So again, we have another accessory here. This is most probably for the barn door. And we have the hot shoe for the stand, where you can put the whole piece, like you put the piece itself. So this is the light, and these are the LEDs. We have a screen in the back. Sounds pretty charged actually. That's pretty good. Very beautiful. That's it. Thank you so much.